and welcome. This video we're taking a look at the Ubiquiti UniFi Protect Smart Chime, which is in a cardboard box. Let's open up the box. Inside we have a card with the QR code which takes you to the guide on how to set it up. And further in the box there's the actual Smart Chime, which has European 2-pin connector on it. Also there's the usual booklet, and that's all. Quite basic. The cardboard box is quite strong. It's not the normal boxes that you will find, for example, with the G4 Doorbell, which has a lot more solid box with it, but I suppose the box is not going to be used anyway afterwards. So the Smart Chime has Wi-Fi capability, which links into your G4 Doorbell or any other of your UniFi Protect doorbells in the range. It has a cloth cover at the front where the speaker is located, and with a grey U logo in the centre of it. It has 2 pins at the back, and that's basically it. So let's continue on, and I'll take you in to the UniFi OS console running on my UDM Pro, and let's get the Smart Chime activated and set up. So hopefully you have now plugged in your UniFi Protect Smart Chime into a spare electrical socket, and then once you have logged into your UniFi OS, as mentioned in previous videos, I'm running my UniFi OS on a UDM Pro, and the UniFi OS version is 1.12.33. So from the top right corner, click on the dotted square icon and then select Protect. Then once you're in the Protect menu here, you need to select the second icon down, which is for UniFi devices. Here you'll see in the previous video I've already installed the G4 Doorbell, and if you want to watch that, have a look at my previous video where you will find me reviewing it and also explaining how to wire up the doorbell and getting it adopted into the UniFi Protect software. So you'll see that the new device has appeared for UP Chime, and it's showing a status click to adopt. So we will click to adopt. Now it's asking us to give it a name. At the moment for testing I'll leave it as UP Chime, and then it's asking to adjust the chime tone volume. So let's move it down to, for example, 20% and click Test Chime Tone. Hopefully you can hear that in the background, and then we'll click Next. Now the UP Chime is showing us connected. We can then proceed to go into the G4 Doorbell menu, which will pop up on the right hand side, and then click on Settings, and then move down to Chime and select the chime type as Digital. Now it's showing as Chime Settings Updated. We can close that window and then proceed to test G4 Doorbell by pressing the button on the front of it. If you heard that, then that is the Smart Chime ringing, and also the actual chime on the G4 Doorbell itself. So that's how easy it is to set up a Smart Chime. Just basically plug and play, provided you have previously set up your doorbell from the UniFi Protect range. Thanks for watching this video, and keep a lookout for further ones. Please do subscribe, and please do drop me a like. That would be most helpful. Thanks.